Dear contest holder, first of all, take my greetings and this video just for you so that I can let you know what I understand about your project, and I will show your brand new website with many features like how to edit any section on this website, how to add a student note, and how to add teacher's profile. I am MD Alal from Bangladesh, and I read the full description of your project where you want a website for your tuition organization. So I am preparing this website for you, and I want to complete this whole website on your requirement and hand over this website for you. Now let's take a look at my entries. You can see I give the website link on my entry headline. So just copy this link and open a new tab. Now paste and go to the website. I think this website will be good for you because your previous website, this is a website developed for you. First, I added a slider and picture of a children. Then below, I added your four main subject: mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology section. And below that, I gave a little idea about your organization. Then I added your three services here, and I gave pictures and names of three teachers. So let's see other space of this website. Like you said, I created a note page and notes to your liking. I am clicking an English basic note, and here is the note details, note description, and this is the curriculum. Here is the lesson. So I'm clicking on lesson 5, and now I can read the full lesson. So now go back, and here is the instructor. Now this is the demo admin, and this note is review. Here is the total of 0 review because now this website is developing. So I'm clicking on blog page. Here is the all blogs of this website, and about us, here is the description of your organization, and here is the three main details, and now contact us page. I put the address on your Google link and email address, then phone number, and after the email section, so this was your website review, and I want to complete the whole website because I'm designing both the website and the design. So you make me the winner of your contest because a quality website like mine cannot be developed by others freelancer. Let's go to the admin panel of this website and I will show you how can add student and teacher to this website. To access the admin panel, type wp-admin after the main link address and now press the enter button. So this was your website. I developed the admin panel in a very simple way so that you can understand it easily. And now I will show you how to add a student and teachers. So this is the main feature of this website, but now I will show you one feature. So here is the team section and now all team, and you can see the team categories and one, two, three, teachers are added. So I show the 𝘧𝘰𝘶𝘯𝘥𝘦𝘳 profile. So now click on the view and open link in new tab, and now you can see this is the um, heading, I, I mean name, and here is the some description of Tejas Chaudhary and professional skill. This is the skill of these teachers, and now experience and activities are blank, and this is the picture. So now close, and also here is the Zoom meeting features and portfolio testimonial, your organization event. Also many more features have been added to this website. So if you make me the winner of your contest, I can make you develop this website more professional way. I hope you watch the full video so you can quickly declare me the winner of your contest so that I can hand over you by developing this whole website very quickly. Thank you.